Hi, this is Yoshko, and I'm here to share with you the top benefits and how to use our Rice Facial Cleanser, which is step 1 in the 4-step JUARA Face Ritual. Our cleanser is a wash-off cleanser that takes off makeup, is very thorough, but also exceptionally gentle. It truly respects your skin's natural moisture balance and never strip the skin, which is why anyone can use this, even dry skin or sensitive skin. So first of all, why do we need to cleanse our face? Well, it is the step that preps your skin before all the treatment steps that follow after cleansing. But cleansing your face is also important in and of itself. Why? Because not only are you removing, especially at night, makeup or dirt, but you're also freeing the skin from pollutants and potential allergens that stick to the skin and could potentially irritate your skin. So free up your skin from all of that to make sure that it functions healthy. The key with cleansing is that it needs to be gentle, and our cleanser is sulfate-free and uses really gentle botanical cleansing agents, so it won't strip the skin, and it has these tiny capsules of plant botanical moisture agents that time release on the skin after you wash off, so it keeps your skin nice and supple even after you rinse off with tap water. So how do you use the Rice Facial Cleanser? First of all, you wash your face just with water and wet it. And then you take about 3 to 5 pumps from the cleanser, lather with water, and apply the bubbles all over your face. And you can even go on the eye area if you're wearing eye makeup, it won't irritate. So I'm gonna try it with the back of my hand where I had some eyeshadow and eyeliner, and I'm gonna wet it, and put pump on the back of my hand. And if you can see how it emulsifies away the shadow and the eyeliner, right? And then you just rinse that off. I'm gonna just wipe it off with a wet washcloth. Voila, clean hands. And not stripped, but really nice, soft, and supple. Now your skin is clean and prepped perfectly for step 2 of the JUARA Face Ritual.